Hagan video ngan pani Kiei Phi notice baron kam balapan me daga Meghalaya Police naga Bynta ki tugi shortlisted candidate naga Bynta ki interview jong ki post prepare ha Meghalaya Police. Hagan notice ki pani Kiei Phi ki instruction ki ba fidon kam banle but ki ba fidon kam banra naga Bynta ki interview. Tementang in pay ki general instruction. Take a first point kaung. All candidates who have been shortlisted for the personal interview will have to attend the personal interview in allotted interview center as per date and timed duly indicated. Kita kemudian baru waktu candidate ki basya selected naga Bynta ka personal interview ki don kamban attend ya ka personal interview kat kum bagi labu ya ka center katarik bat kapor. Telada VOE bah ki tu ki list jong ki shortlisted candidate naga Bynta ka personal interview kila tholang ya ka center ka ba fidon kamban lay attend ya ki interview ya katarik bat ya kapor. Next, point number 2, reporting time is 8 AM for the morning shift and 12 noon for the afternoon shift. Tahang ne kemud ki don early ki shift, don ki bayo ya ka morning shift, but don pat ki bayo ya ka afternoon shift. The ka morning shift kas dang ha pra baje men step, but ka afternoon shift pat kas dang ha khat ar baje men sngi. Defi don kam bhaban pe ya ka por ha ka nugo shift piyo ha ka morning shift la ne ha ka afternoon shift. Point number 3, admit card for the personal interview will be issued on the spot after completion of scrutiny and verification of the documents. Kita kamud ba ki admit card kin ai ha tu hi ka center ka ba finlay interview anda gila dep check la ne verify ya ki documents jong pi. Te ya ka admit card film don kam shu ban download kumba video download man shwa hanre kin ai ha tu hi ka sngi but ha tu hi ka center ka ba filay interview. Point number 4, they are to bring all original documents, testimonials, ID cards in physical forms. Kemudian baru ki documents jong pi ki ID card jong pi pri bandra ada ki original. Point number 5, produce their paid admit card and written test admit card. Kemudian bahaga por interview pi don kam bandra but pen i ki ya ka paid admit card jong pi but ka written test admit card jong pi. Take tu ka admit card ke ba phira haga por ba philai mare but ka admit card ke ba phira haga por ba philai ya ka written test pi don kam bandra lang ya baro artli gitu anda philalai naga Bynta ka personal interview. Point number 6, submit 2 latest passport size photograph having white background. Kita kamut fidon kam bandra artli ki passport size photograph ke badang thamai but kita ki passport size photograph ki de bandon ka white background lane pide bansion ha ka white background. Point number 7, medical examination will be conducted at the civil hospital Shillong or Tura. The cost of medical tests shall be borne by the candidates as per rate charged by the hospital. Kata kamut ba ka medical examination kinle ha civil hospital Shillong but ha Tura. But ki candidate si ki don kam bansiu ya ga by medical test. Kamut pihi bansiu ya laga jong ga by medical test kat kum bagi shim na hospital. Point number 8, candidate must appear for the personal interview at his or her own expenses. Deputy ban but ya kini ki instruction kumba la tho hangne haga por ba pilai interview. Tementa pat ngin pe ya ki instruction naga Bynta ki technical post kum ki mechanic but ki driver. The first point, the personal interview for all technical posts such as fireman mechanic, driver fireman and driver constable will be conducted in CRP office Meghalaya Police Mauro Shillong. Since the candidates will have to undergo technical skill tests prior to personal interview. Tahang ki ong ba ka personal interview naga Bynta ki technical post kum ka fireman mechanic, driver fireman but ki driver constable kinle ha CRP office Meghalaya Police Mauro Shillong. Namar ba ya ki technical post kinle nangkong ya ki technical skill test shwa banle ya ka personal interview. Kita kamut ba ya ki technical post kum ki mechanic but ki driver kin don nangkong ya ki technical skill test nangta kin sapo ya ka personal interview. Point number 2, candidates for driver post should preferably produce valid HMV driving license. Kita kamut ba gitu ki candidates ki bade na ki driver post ki deban pen i ya ka HMV driving license jongki. Point number 3, candidates for mechanic post should produce certificate issued from any recognized technical institutions or workshops. Kita kamut ba gitu ki candidates ki bade na ka mechanic post ki deban pen i ya ki certificate jongki ki baki yo na kinu ki recognized technical institution lane na ki workshops. Point number 4, candidates who fail to appear for technical skill tests will be debarred from appearing in the personal interview. Take 2 candidates ki bom lay na ka Bynta ka technical skill test kinom shashu ya ki bakin lay na ka Bynta ka personal interview. Kan mau ba ya kini ki technical post kin don nangkong ya ka technical skill test nangta an sadon par ya ka personal interview. Point number 5, all the conditions mentioned and the general instructions are applicable to the candidates of technical posts. They are to comply with the instructions. Tang ki ong ba baro ki conditions ki ba mentions ha ki general instruction ki de na benta ki candidates ki ba de na ki technical post ro. Tikini ki candidates ki ba de na ki technical post ki de ban follow ya ki general instruction ro. Tekan mau ba pide ban boot baro ki instruction ki ba la tho ka notice na ka benta ka personal interview. Koble chibun and subscribe.